Everyone loves a slam dunk investment. Little risk, big upside, and a no-brainer. Right now, there's a severe shortage brewing in the silver markets that can easily double or triple your money in the next few years. Last year's total mine production for silver was 819 million ounces, yet demand was 1.1 billion ounces. The total shortfall was 262 million ounces for 2013. However, much of that gap was closed by recycled silver and government stockpiles, but not all of it. The shortage is there. Recycled silver last year fell 24%, the largest drop on record. 7 out of 10 of the leading primary silver mines produced less silver in 2013 than they did in 2012. Nevada, known as the Silver State, produced only 7.4 million troy ounces in 2013 compared to 25 million troy ounces in 1997. This silver story just gets better and better. Ore grades have collapsed 95% according to the USGS. The mining companies can't turn a profit, and exploration has almost come to a complete halt. On the demand side, physical demand rose by 13%, so much so that the US Mint literally sold out. China, who in 2005 used less than 1 million ounces of silver for solar panels, absorbed 35 million ounces just for solar in 2013. 62% of silver is used for industrial applications, like nearly all of our electronics, biology, medicine, and other commercial uses. 21% is used for jewelry and 12% for coins. It is safe to say that 95% of all silver consumed is gone, never to enter the supply side again. On the industrial side of silver, there's about 28 cents in your cell phone. Unless silver reaches thousands of dollars per ounce, that silver is gone. Silver formed into jewelry is the most costly silver, both because of its use and personal value to those who own it. This silver is essentially gone. Coins. FutureMoneyTrends.com considers coins like Silver Eagles and Canadian Maples permanently off the market, never to experience 1800 degrees again. To consider this above ground available silver is a farce. This silver is gone. Silver's new uses are rising. All available supply is being consumed, and a real shortage in the physical markets is being completely ignored due to the paper markets, which sell at least 100 ounces of silver for every physical ounce in reality that is available. Silver's uses in solar panels was not even reported in 1999. By 2015, 100 million ounces of silver are projected for solar energy use. The price of silver, set largely by the COMEX, currently has one of the highest concentrated short positions, with 8 of the largest COMEX shorts near record highs for silver. Unlike other commodities where it is the producers themselves hedging their sales and locking in prices for future production, the actual silver miners hedging is at a multi-decade low. This silver manipulation by the world's largest bank, supported by the CFTC, US Treasury, and Federal Reserve, has been so successful that they have not only crushed the price of silver in spite of rising demand, but they have crushed the mining shares and future investment capital for the entire sector. Simply put, the silver shorts will be squeezed due to the real physical silver shortage that is upon us. When this happens, all hell will break loose in both the paper and physical precious metal markets. Your opportunity is to own silver today for less than the cost an actual mining company can even produce it for. This investment is not an if question, but a when question. When silver rises, when the price explodes, when the shorts get squeezed out, to maximize your opportunity, subscribe at crushthestreet.com/silver. Receive a free report on the 3 best ways to profit from a rising silver price. The report is free, and this opportunity to profit from silver price suppression has been 35 years in the making. Receive our top 3 investment ideas for silver at crushthestreet.com/silver.